Microsoft Dynamics AX is an adaptable business management solution that enables organizations to streamline process, reduce cost, manage compliance, and improve decision-making. This demonstration will give you a brief overview of the powerful business value of Microsoft Dynamics AX. On the screen now is the CFO Role Center, one of over 30 role centers included with Microsoft Dynamics AX. The Role Center provides a home page for the CFO and displays information she needs to be productive. For example, the Role Center provides key performance indicators, company financial reports, and work tasks. To help the CFO streamline tasks and workflow, actions such as approvals or research can be accomplished directly from the unified work list. Now, let's switch to a different role center, that of the CEO. Here, the focus is monitoring business analytics for effective decision-making. To help the CEO quickly establish which metrics he wants to monitor, he can build scorecards by selecting from a list of available pre-built data cubes. The CEO has numerous KPIs to choose from. Let's look at another example of a role center. In this case, the purchasing manager. The Role Center is a Microsoft SharePoint web part page. Because of this, role centers are available both within the Microsoft Dynamics AX client and through a web browser via the Microsoft Dynamics AX Enterprise Portal. The Microsoft Dynamics AX Enterprise Portal is a SharePoint web application. Displaying the Role Center through SharePoint provides access to a wide range of employees. Displaying the Role Center through SharePoint also enables access for employees who work remotely. An important new feature in Microsoft Dynamics AX is the concept of queues, which are visual indications of the transactions in the system. I can click on these queues and drill into the details, which enables me to investigate the transactions. This list page is a new UI concept in Microsoft Dynamics AX 2009. Before looking into the list page in detail, let's review some other new concepts in the navigation. Some companies have large contingent staffing resources, and traditionally, it has been expensive to train these resources to use an ERP application. To help resolve this, we are introducing the concept of back and forward buttons, similar to buttons found in a web browser. With these buttons, users can browse the application instead of learning to use complex commands or menus. Also new is the history feature, helping employees navigate quickly to areas of the application recently visited. Another new feature is the breadcrumb bar. This will be very familiar to users who have used the address bar of a web browser. Employees can use this feature to quickly navigate to the functions they need. In this case, purchase orders. Here in the purchase order area, list pages make it easy to get right to work. Users can see a list of purchase orders with status and other information displayed in a format that can be sorted. At the bottom of the page, you can see another new feature, the Preview pane. The Preview pane presents key information about whichever purchase order is selected in the list. This experience will be familiar to anyone who has used email. Across the top of the list page is another new concept called the Action pane. The Action pane guides the user through a required process based on the document they have selected. In this case, the actions for a purchase order are Purchase, Receive, and Invoice. If the status of a purchase order changes, the Action pane actions will change as well, displaying a different set of functions. To facilitate management reporting, Microsoft Dynamics AX provides multiple levels of self-service business intelligence. For example, let's say the purchase manager needs to create a simple report of purchase orders by status. With one click, she can export the data to Microsoft Office Excel. Using Excel, she can quickly create a pivot table and present the data to management. With a few more clicks, she can set up rows, labels, and charts. The ability to quickly create reports saves time and enables employees to make better business decisions. For advanced reporting, Microsoft Dynamics AX provides rich analysis capabilities through OLAP cubes included with the product. Leveraging Windows authentication, users can obtain access to the data cubes from within Excel. Microsoft Dynamics AX includes a range of cubes, covering financials, CRM, production, and HRM. In this example, we're conducting a sales analysis, so we'll select the Sales cube. To view trends over time, the Purchase Manager can quickly produce a pivot table. She will review sales over time by customer group and item group. If she chooses, she can also drill down to individual items. Through a combination of new usability enhancements and unprecedented access to business data, Microsoft Dynamics AX makes it easier than ever to work productively and make better business decisions.